Number 1, the 1983 Oldsmobile 98 Regency Elite Sedan 4D, priced at just $3,500. What a machine! Picked up straight from the Bronx, New York, and driven home without a hitch. This beauty claims only 38,000 miles, though it might be 138,000, but judging by those clean pedals, maybe the story checks out. Under the hood, it packs a 307 cubic inch V8 engine with an automatic transmission, fresh exhaust system, and a fully redone air conditioning setup. It's a true relic from another era of American luxury, a sofa on wheels, floating smoothly through traffic, mountains, and even rainstorms. The engine runs whisper quiet, and the transmission shifts flawlessly. Inside. Pure vintage class, a plush interior that screams confidence and comfort. Sure, it's got some wear on the rear floor pans, but this land yacht is still a solid daily driver or a perfect project for any classic car enthusiast. No trades, just pure Oldsmobile excellence for the taking. Number 2, the 1970 Ford LTD Coupe 2D, priced at $14,500. Straight out of Nebraska, this stunning classic has only 40,000 original miles, a true survivor that's never seen road salt. Under the hood lies a 390 cubic inch V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission and even cruise control, luxury features for its time. This car runs and drives like new, with power that feels smooth, strong, and effortless. The condition? Absolutely excellent. From the gleaming chrome to the straight body lines and spotless interior, everything about this LTD shows just how well it's been preserved over the decades. It's not just a car, it's a time capsule of early 70s American style and engineering. If you're looking for a beautiful, ready-to-drive classic with real history behind it, this is the one. No trades, cash only. Drive it home today and feel what true Ford luxury was all about. Number 3, the 1963 Dodge Dart 270, priced at just $1,800. A true classic project car that's waiting for the right hands to bring it back to life. This one comes with the legendary 225 slant, 6-engine and automatic transmission, the motor's included, and the car still rolls and steers just fine. Some of the original trim and hubcaps are still here, ready to be restored. The interior needs work, and you'll find rust in the usual places, floors, lower quarters, and other typical spots, but the bones are there for a solid restoration. It's not a show car yet, but it's a great starting point for anyone who loves early 60s Mopar design and that old-school Dodge charm. For just $1,800, this Dart could easily become your next garage-built masterpiece. A good project car with tons of potential, ready for someone who sees what it could be, not just what it is. Number 4, the 1973 Ford Torino, priced at $11,000. This one's a bold mix of muscle and style, a real head-turner wherever it goes. Under the hood, it's packing a 351 Windsor V8 with a 4-barrel carb, breathing through headers and dual exhaust for that unmistakable old-school rumble. It's loaded with upgrades, a 600 CFM carburetor, new steering box, new front tires, B&M shift kit, racing seats, tachometer, and a full-gauge setup. The interior's been refreshed with new carpet and a brand new dash, while the patina paint job gives it that perfect blend of character and attitude. The current owner bought it a few years back but got caught up in other projects, so now it's looking for someone to take it to the next level, or just drive it as is and enjoy every mile. It runs great, sounds mean, and delivers pure 70s muscle car fun for just $11,000. Number 5, the 1985 Lincoln Town Car, priced at $3,000. A true piece of American luxury from the mid-80s, this big Lincoln still carries that unmistakable presence wherever it goes. It's got many new parts already installed and needs very little to get fully road ready, just a fuel filter and a driver's side window motor, and you're good to cruise. The body? Completely rust-free, a rare find for a car this age. It even comes with all the original paperwork and the factory dealer plate from Florida, adding that extra touch of authenticity collectors love. Underneath, it's clean, the owner can even show pictures of the underside to prove how solid it is. Whether you want a smooth daily driver, a light restoration project, or just a slice of 80s comfort and style, this Lincoln delivers. At $3,000 or best offer, it's a lot of classic luxury for the money, a perfect mix of class, size, and vintage cool. Number 6, the 1979 AMC Concorde, priced at $4,500. A rare survivor from one of America's most unique automakers, this Concorde carries that late 70s charm with understated style and solid engineering. Under the hood, it's powered by a 3.8-liter straight-six engine, known for reliability and smooth performance. This one's been undercoated, protecting it from rust and keeping the body strong for years to come. The Concorde was AMC's take on practical luxury, simple, dependable, and comfortable, with just enough flair to stand out from the crowd. Whether you're a fan of American Motors classics or just looking for something different from the usual Ford and Chevy lineup, this car is a conversation starter. For $4,500, you're getting a clean, well-preserved example of a piece of you. Automotive history, ready to drive, enjoy, or restore to perfection. Number 7, the 1973 Dodge Charger Special Edition, priced at $3,500. This one's a real find, a genuine muscle car icon from the golden age of Dodge performance. It's showing 80,000 miles on the clock and packs a powerful 440 cubic inch V8 engine, giving you that unmistakable Mopar muscle under the hood. What makes this deal even better? It comes with extra body parts, additional rims, and it's all being sold as a complete package. Whether you're looking to restore it, customize it, or build a weekend track beast, this Charger gives you everything you need to start strong. The 73 SE models carried that bold fastback style and wide stance that made the Charger legendary, pure attitude on four wheels. At just $3,500, this is an incredible opportunity to own a true piece of American muscle history, the kind of car that turns heads before you even start the engine. Number 8, the 1967 Oldsmobile 88, priced at just $1,300. A bold piece of late 60s American muscle, this super rocket still carries that unmistakable Oldsmobile attitude. Under the hood sits a 425 cubic inch super rocket V8, one of Oldsmobile's most iconic power plants, built for torque, built for speed. The car has good glass, solid bumpers, and all its headlights and taillights intact. The body is straight and solid, with just the usual wear on the rear floor pans and trunk. The rear axle is locked up, so you'll need to bring a flatbed to haul this beast home, but trust me, it's worth the effort. Finding a complete Olds like this, with so many original parts still in place, is getting harder every year. At $1,300, this is your chance to own a real classic American powerhouse, a solid restoration project with serious potential and plenty of heart left under the hood. Number 9, the 1984 Chevrolet Camaro Z28, priced at $8,000, or open to trades. This one's a clean, well-sorted example of third-gen Camaro power, a true 80s performance icon that's been treated right. Under the hood, it's running a 305 small block V8 with a few upgrades, a Holley carburetor, upgraded cam, and long tube Hetman headers for that deep muscle car growl. It's backed by a monster-built 700R4 transmission with a B&M shift kit and slap shifter, giving you crisp, confident shifts every time. A new water temperature gauge has been installed too, replacing the old factory unit. This Z28 is very clean, runs strong, and has no issues, ready to drive, show, or trade. If you've been hunting for a solid 80s Camaro that blends classic looks with upgraded performance, this is it. At $8,000, or the right trade, the Z28 is pure retro power waiting for its next owner. Number 10, the 1957 Ford Fairlane, priced at $8,500 firm. A true icon of 1950s American design, long, sleek, and full of chrome attitude. Under the hood sits the original 292 cubic inch V8, and it still turns over. The car was running when it was parked in a garage about 4 years ago, a real barn-find vibe for collectors who know what they're looking at. Everything about this Fairlane screams classic, from its sweeping body lines to that unmistakable 50s presence that defined an entire era of style and craftsmanship. It's not just a car, it's a statement, a piece of automotive history that deserves to shine again. At $8,500, the seller's firm, and if you're seeing the listing, yes, it's still available. Don't wait around, classics like this don't stay parked for long.
Here's a 1979 Chevrolet Corvette, a classic American sports car, ready for a new life, priced at just $1,500. It's a roller, no engine, no transmission, and no title, so don't ask for one. But the body's solid with only minor rust, making it the perfect starting point for a restoration or custom build. Whether you want a parts donor or a full-on project car, This Corvette is your blank canvas to bring an icon back to life.
Meet this charming 1950 Morris Minor, a true British classic, priced at 4,000 New Zealand dollars. Passed down from the owner's granddad, it still runs and drives beautifully and will be sold with a brand new WOF and registration. The engines had fresh piston rings, sleeves, a new head gasket, and the brakes have all been redone. The body's straight, the paint's a bit tired, but it's an honest little classic with real character. A perfect starter for anyone wanting a genuine vintage car with heart and history.